Okay guys, this video is going to be a little different because we didn't intend for it to be a standalone video, but we also don't want to not show you Phuket's Big Buddha. So here's our intro, but faster than normal. Here's me talking about Big Buddha. Not too far from Kata Beach and Karen Beach is Big Buddha. Really, it's accessible from any of the beaches, but I would recommend you rent a scooter and come up here, and it's just nice. It's big, and it's Buddha. And there's Big Buddha. Here's what you should know. Admission is free. It's the third tallest statue in Thailand. Construction began in 2004 and it's still ongoing. They've recently covered it in Burmese white marble, and it's very pretty.
It's really pretty. I like the white tile work on it. I didn't expect that, and against the blue sky, it's just massive and pretty, so I like it.
It cost Thailand about $1 million to build, and it's built in a national conserved forest. You'll need to dress appropriately, but they'll give you stuff to cover up with if you didn't.
You should cover your knees here, but they give you free skirts at the entrance if you're wearing shorts like most people in warm climates, but very kind, and it's donation based, but no pressure at all.
Getting there is easy. Take a taxi, a tuk-tuk, rent a scooter, however you want to roll. And watch out for the monkeys. When you visit Big Buddha, tell your babies to hold onto their bottles. But you should go if you're in Phuket. It's totally cool.